Ever wondered about the unsung heroes of science and innovation? Those brilliant minds that, while not always in the spotlight, have left an indelible mark on the realms of science and technology? Today, we're going to introduce you to 10 of these remarkable individuals. Introducing Mary Anning, an untrained yet brilliant paleontologist hailing from the early 19th century. Born into a humble family in Lyme Regis, England, Mary was not provided with formal education. Yet her relentless curiosity led her down the path of fossil hunting. Her fossil discoveries along the Jurassic coast of England were not ordinary finds. They were groundbreaking, reshaping our understanding of prehistoric life. Mary's persistent digging unearthed the first ever complete ichthyosaur skeleton at the young age of 12, a monumental discovery that challenged existing scientific theories. Later in life, she uncovered the first complete plesiosaurus and pterosaur outside Germany, adding further weight to her illustrious career. These finds were critical. They filled in gaps in our knowledge of the Jurassic era and contributed significantly to the field of paleontology. Let's delve deeper into the intriguing life and dynamic discoveries of Mary Anning. Next, we delve into the life of Chien-Shiung Wu, an experimental physicist born in Liuhe, a small town in China. She beat the odds, receiving her PhD in physics from the University of California, Berkeley, at a time when women were not commonly accepted in the field. She became renowned for her work, which disproved the law of conservation of parity, a fundamental principle of physics that had been considered unchallengeable. This audacious feat gave birth to a new understanding of the universe, cementing her place in history. Wu, however, didn't stop at that. She also contributed extensively to the Manhattan Project, developing a process for separating uranium metal into U-235 and U-238 isotopes. Her groundbreaking contributions were so substantial and influential that she's often fondly referred to as the First Lady of Physics. Our venture progresses into the life of the groundbreaking chemist Rosalind Franklin. Born on July 25, 1920, Franklin made significant strides in the field of science, most notably her X-ray diffraction images, crucial to unveiling the structure of DNA. Although her work often went uncredited, Franklin was a pioneer in her field, being one of the few women in science during the 1950s. Her X-ray images, now famously known as Photo 51, provided the key to understanding the molecular structure of DNA, which has two strands that wrap around each other like a twisted ladder, what we now call a double helix. This discovery was a milestone in science, offering invaluable insights into the molecular basis of life, its replication, and genetic heredity. Despite the challenges she faced, Franklin's tireless dedication and rigorous attention to detail played a monumental role in one of the 20th century's greatest scientific discoveries. John Harrison, born in 1693, was more than just a clockmaker. He was a self-educated carpenter and mechanic who eventually went on to solve the notorious longitude problem. This problem had confounded sailors and explorers for centuries, leading to countless shipwrecks and lost lives. Harrison dedicated years of his life to perfecting his timekeeping devices, his famous marine chronometers. He invented the gridiron pendulum and bimetallic strip to combat the effects of temperature on his clock's accuracy. But it was his H4 timepiece, a sea watch of unprecedented accuracy, that ultimately solved the longitude problem. His groundbreaking work didn't just revolutionize navigation, but entirely altered the course of maritime history, making sea voyages safer and more predictable. It's a testament to his ingenuity and determination that his techniques are still in use today. We must also remember the pioneering work of Barbara McClintock, an eminent geneticist and a trailblazer in the field of genetics. Born in 1902 in Hartford, Connecticut, McClintock's groundbreaking work on transposons revolutionized the world of genetics. Her audacious passion for discovery led her to challenge the established genetic doctrines of her time. What are these transposons, you ask? They are pieces of DNA that can move from one part of the genome to another, a discovery that contradicted the widely held belief that genes were fixed in their locations. This was a groundbreaking discovery in the mid-20th century, and it paved the way for modern genetic research. Winner of the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1983, McClintock's genius was recognized long after her initial discovery, which was largely ignored or misunderstood by her contemporaries. However, her relentless pursuit of knowledge and unyielding belief in her own research paved the way for future generations of geneticists. Her legacy extends far beyond her lifetime, inspiring scientists even today. Born on November 8, 1923, in Jefferson City, Missouri, Jack Kilby is a renowned name in the world of electronics. He is the co-inventor of the integrated circuit, a device that is fundamental to modern digital devices. After serving in the World War II, Kilby earned his master's degree in electrical engineering from the University of Wisconsin. In 1958, while working at Texas Instruments, he made his monumental invention. The integrated circuit, also known as a microchip, is a set of electronic circuits on one small flat piece of semiconductor material, usually silicon. Kilby's invention was a breakthrough that paved the way for the modern microelectronics revolution, enabling the development of high-speed computers, smartphones, and other digital devices we can't imagine our lives without today. The significance of Kilby's work was recognized in 2000 when he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his part in the invention of the integrated circuit. Today, his legacy continues to live on, shaping the digital world as we know it. Peering into the cosmos, we encounter a titan of the scientific world, Vera Rubin. Vera was an eminent astronomer whose pioneering work greatly contributed to our comprehension of the universe. Born in 1928, her curiosity for the stars was ignited at a young age. She studied at Vassar College, where she was the only astronomy major to graduate in her class. Her groundbreaking research brought forth compelling evidence for the existence of dark matter, a term that became a cornerstone in the field of astronomy. Her most significant contribution includes her research on galaxy rotation curves. Vera Rubin and her collaborator Kent Ford found that stars at the edges of galaxies were moving just as quickly as those near the center, which defied the laws of gravity. These observations suggested the presence of a significant amount of unseen matter, now known as dark matter, holding the fast-moving stars in place. This discovery reshaped our understanding of the universe, paving the way for new theories and hypotheses. Rubin's life and work remain an inspiration to astronomers and dreamers alike, reminding us of the vast mysteries yet to be unraveled in our cosmos. In the realm of medicine, we find the trailblazer, Joseph Lister, regarded as the father of modern surgery. Born in 1827 in England, Lister was a pioneer in the field of antiseptic surgery. His revolutionary techniques, like the use of carbolic acid for sterilization, formed the foundation for today's surgical standards. In an era when infections were rampant and often lethal, Lister's procedures drastically reduced infection rates, saving countless lives and transforming the field of medicine. He was a visionary, whose unwavering belief in the need for cleanliness in surgical procedures influenced subsequent generations, propelling medical science forward. Turning our gaze skyward, we encounter Henrietta Leavitt, an astronomer of unparalleled brilliance and tenacity. Born in 1868, she overcame societal hurdles to accomplish incredible feats in the field of astronomy. Leavitt, whose monumental work on variable stars, specifically Cepheid variables, forever changed the way we measure cosmic distances. These stars, which rhythmically change in brightness, became the yardstick for astronomers, thanks to Leavitt's groundbreaking findings. Furthermore, her discovery of over 2,400 variable stars, nearly half of the known quantity at the time, is a testament to her dedication and precision. Even facing personal challenges, such as losing her hearing, she never faltered in her pursuit of knowledge. Her invaluable contributions have been instrumental to our comprehension of the universe's infinite vastness. We conclude our journey with the brilliant mind of Stephanie Kwolek, an iconic chemist who left an indelible mark on the world with the invention of Kevlar. Born in 1923, her curiosity for the world of science was ignited at a young age and stayed with her throughout her remarkable life. Kwolek was not just a chemist. She was a pioneer who shattered glass ceilings in a male-dominated field. It was her unwavering determination and tenacity that led her to invent Kevlar, a heat-resistant and strong synthetic fiber, in 1965. The influence of her groundbreaking innovation has been monumental and pervasive. It has tremendously impacted an array of industries. Kevlar, 5 times stronger than steel, has been utilized in the creation of bulletproof vests, saving countless lives in law enforcement. Its heat and corrosion resistance has made it an invaluable asset in the aerospace industry. Kwolek's ingenious invention has not only redefined material science, but also continues to protect and inspire generations in their quest to reach new heights. So, there you have it, 10 unsung heroes of science and innovation. Each of these individuals has made significant contributions to their respective fields, and their work continues to influence the world we live in today. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember Henrietta Leavitt. The next time you put on a bulletproof vest, remember Stephanie Kwolek. These heroes may not always be in the spotlight, but they've certainly earned their place in history. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery, and until next time, keep exploring.